porting your number into GCN4Business. If you wish to port your number into GCN4Business, this video will illustrate the instructions you received in your email. When you enrolled in GCN for cell phone service, you were assigned a cell phone number. Every person who enrolls is assigned a new number or a temporary number. If you want to port your existing cell phone number into GCN4Business, that new number is only a temporary number that ensures that you will have service while the porting process takes place. After your temporary number is activated, you will receive an email notification letting you know that your cell phone number has been activated and you now have service. If you checked the box that you wanted to keep your existing number and port it into GCN4Business, you will have also received an email with instructions on how to port your number into GCN4Business. All you have to do is follow the instructions. Please be aware that if your number is already with AT&T, we cannot port your number into GCN, or if it is with any of AT&T's affiliates, such as Cricket. Also, you may wonder why you have to go through this process, since you filled in the number that you were going to be porting in the initial sign-up process. When you gave us the number, it notified us that we should expect that you will be completing the final steps in the porting process. The first thing you will need to do is to find your GCN ID in the email that welcomed you to GCN. With your GCN ID in hand, you can go to www.gcn4business.com and you can click on the Member Login button at the top right-hand corner of the page. A login box will come up. In the login box, you will enter your GCN ID and the password you established when you first enrolled. After you have entered your ID and password, click the button that says Login Now. It will take you to your portal. In the top right-hand corner of your portal is a button that says My WAM Account. WAM stands for Wireless Account Management. Click that button. That will take you to your own WAM page. You can now scroll down to the middle of the page where it says My Plans. In this section, you will find all of the cell phone lines you have in your account with GCN4Business. Find where the temporary cell phone number you were issued is listed. All the way to the right of that number, you will find a down arrow. Click on the down arrow. It will give you two options: Change My Plan or Port My Number. Click on Port My Number. At the porting page, you will need to complete the rest of the required information so we can process your port. When the port form is completed, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Your request will be sent to GCN's porting department. You should be aware that all ports are done by hand and are not automatically done. We have to verify your account with your previous carrier. That your PIN is correct and the name and address that you have given us is the same address you gave your previous carrier when you originally got service with them. As soon as your number is ported, you will be notified that the port has been completed by email. If there are any problems with the port, which happens occasionally, you will be notified by email what you need to provide or do in order for the port to be completed. You can always contact us about the status of your port at cellservicesupport@gcn4business.com. Thank you for watching the Porting Your Number into GCN4Business instructional video. There are other training videos you will want to access. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you have access to them.
You are now ready to complete your registration and start your own business as a GCN4Business professional business member. You are on your way to earning free wireless and a lifetime residual income and bonus.